This is our self-assessment for shoulder extension. So for shoulder extension, you can do it laying on the floor or standing up. We're just going to go standing up today. You might want to watch yourself in the mirror or even set up a little bit of a block for yourself so that you can't cheat on this one. The block would be something behind you so that your arm has to reach straight behind you. So you could stand next to a squat rack or a door frame just to make sure that you're not deviating out to the side, or watch yourself in a mirror. But we're just going to start with a kind of a neutral palm in position, and you're going to move straight back behind yourself. So straight back, and then see how high you're getting in this straight back position. And so if you have extremely limited shoulder extension, push-ups might be something that causes some problems if your hands aren't positioned properly, or if you go too deep. So you could do a push-up or a bench press. You just want to make sure that you're not going past what you have. So you kind of figure out, what do I have here? What can I do? If it's like super tight before it starts to go out to the side, floor pressing would be better than bench pressing for a while until we can build you some more shoulder extension. So again, testing that out here, making sure there's no scap, that there's no, look at my shoulder extension, that's your back. So keeping it purely shoulder extension, straight behind the body, testing how that goes, pain-free movement, and that's shoulder extension.